Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of 60 Formula. 60 McFormula. 60 McFormula. McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? I hope you're doing well today. We're just hanging out as per usual. Look at the pups, they're just chilling today. So if you guys are new to the channel, just want to say welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Really appreciate you. Hope that the tips are helping. If they are, please let me know in the comments below. I hear that you guys are taking a lot out of all the training videos that I'm making, and that makes me super happy. What? What's up? What's up, girl? Good girl. Britney Spears is like, what's going on today? And I'm like, we're going shopping, my brother. And that's not manly stuff. That's girly stuff. So we're taking Gila and we're going to go shopping today. Let's go to Bass Pro or like PetSmart or some junk like that. We're taking a break away from the training vids and we're going to have some fun. The pups deserve it every once in a while. You know what I'm saying? They need to go out and have a little bit of good casual fun. It's really important to socialize your puppos. So if you guys ever have the chance, look up what stores near you allow your dogs to come to their store. And it's an awesome idea to take your dogs shopping because all sorts of people see them and they're like, oh, look at the puppy. Isn't she so pretty? And you're just like, heck yeah. Socialize my doggo, please. So, yeah, that's right. Rub that face. Get that comf. Get that comfy. So let's go ahead, grab the little girl and hop in the car and get our shop on. Let's shop till we drop. You ready to go shopping? That means yes in Husky language. Woo! Britney Spears, you're so cute. Look at that nose. Fish? A fish? You can't go up there, but you can look. See the fishies? Look right there, fishies.
We're very pet friendly. You know we have a dog-a-ween coming up.
Definitely.
So come and do something. Yes, we do.
Sit. Good girl, stay. Stay. Break, come on. This way. You go this way. Cool, look at all this stuff. This looks good. That looks awesome. No jumping. No jumping. Calm down, please. What your deal is? She's in a weird mood right now, going bonkers. She's so hyper.
What's her name?
Gila.
Gila. Gila. Oh, hi.
Calm down, miss. This way, miss. Yeah, you can. She doesn't bite or anything. She just wants to lick your face.
What's her name?
Gila. Come here. Come here. Sit.
Sit.
Good girl.
Oh my God, my heart. Does she have a page, a web page?
She does. I
It's on the camera.
do dog training on
Oh,
Instagram.
Oh my god. Hey, bro. How are you?
I'm sure I get that all day long.
Hi, I have a husky too.
Oh, all right.
How old is he?
She's a year and 4 months.
She?
Yep.
What? Full husky?
Yep, and she has a brother at home too. But she's spayed.
Damn.
Yep. Hey everybody, we are back in the house hanging out. We had an awesome day just going and shopping, me and Gila. It was so much fun. But right now, we're trying to be quiet because everyone's sleeping. I just woke Rue up, but the puppies are napping. So I just wanted to give you guys a quiet farewell from this episode. I really appreciate you watching. If you guys really enjoyed, please give it a like. If you had super mega fun, go ahead and punch the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please, I urge you to leave a comment down below. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Guess what? I will see you guys tomorrow with an episode of whatever I make. By the way, don't pay attention to that Jake Paul poster in the background. It was supposed to be a joke, and everyone took it seriously. I guess the joke is on me. Bye-bye.